friends, let's make a baby self-binding blanket today. For this I took 2 pieces of blanket. Like you can do any size or anything, like adult or anybody, but this is the same pattern for anybody, anything. You can even make what do you call the bird claws or anything with this kind. This is a self-binding. You don't have to bring the extra binding and put it. You can use the self-binding one. For this I took this piece, like this one side is going to be inside. You can use both sides, but this side is going to be 30 by 30 one side, and the other side is going to be 40 by 40 piece. You can take a different sizes also, it's up to you, but this one I picked 30 by 30 and 40 by 40 this piece. And what we need to do is now find the center of each fabric. This one I already marked, this one here I already marked, and this one also I'm going to find the center of it and mark it. Do the same thing all 4 sides. I don't want to waste your time. I'll be back as soon as I'm done with that. So we have all the 4 sides marked. The centers are marked on all the 4 sides. With this clip, I put the clips in there. So we put the right sides together for both the pieces, and we find the centers for both pieces and remove one of the clip and put one clip on each side. So put them together on one. So once we are done with this, we are going to sew all the way across on each side, like I'll show you here. Whatever the length, that 30-inch length of the side, the smaller fabric side, that's what we are going to do. Like from here onwards, let me put a clip over there so I can show you better way. So from here, these are they both, like based on the center, they both are attached together. So from here to here I sew it, and then attach these two. That's the center point, and from there you go both sides. And I know these 2 sides, there's something coming up like this, like don't worry about it now. Let's sew all the 4 sides like this same way. So you have to sew all the way along this 30-inch sides for all the 4 sides. I'll sew that and be right back. I'll show you what to do next. So this is how it looked once it is done. Yeah, you see these corners are like this, but they are open. Now we need to flip this inside out. Any 4 corners you can use to take it inside out. I'll take it inside out and iron it and bring it back and show you what exactly I'm doing. Okay, this is how it's going to look on this side, front side you can call it. And see, this is the binding, self-binding, that's what I was talking about. And this is how it's going to look on the back side. So now we need to fix the edge corners. So I lightly press this, so I don't know what it is, but leaving about a 1/2 inch on both sides. I cut this. So now this part, you can fold it this way, fold it the other side. And sew it. I'll clip it here and evenly correct this part also, because this is not sewn in the corner. So just put all together here and sew from here to here. And then when you're done with all 4 sides, top stitch on the here, on the edge of it. I'll do all that. I'll do all the 4 sides, this sewing, and also sew it on the edge of it and bring it back and show you guys. So it's all done and ready. See how the print looks like, the sewing. It's so beautiful. So if you check, the seam is barely visible because I stitched in the ditch all around. You can see on the other side, but this side, but you don't see much on the other side. So the beautiful blanket is ready. If you want it to make it as a quilt, you can do it, put the interfacing and top stitch all around, like whichever design you like for the quilting designs. So this is it. This, you can use the same method for pillow shams and lot of things like pillow shams. You can, pillowcases, you can use it, and different decorative pillowcases I'm talking about, and also on the bird cloths, things like that, like some minor projects you can use for a lot of different things like that. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.